What's going on, guys? Today we'll be reviewing two products from GRITR Gear. We have the camping tripod set and collapsible fire blowing pipe, as well as a titanium grill. The camping tripod comes in this leather case, and it includes the tripod, chain, hook, and blowing pipe. The grill comes in a mesh carrying case, and it includes the grill, hanging wire, hook, titanium tongs, and the grill also has legs attached so it can be placed on the ground as well. The cables simply hook into the corners of the grill, and then you place the large hook through the loops. Now you're ready to grill over the fire. For the tripod, you're going to need to harvest 3 branches that are about 1 inch in diameter. You can also go thicker and then shave the ends down to size. If you're planning to cook over a high flame, I would recommend going thicker. Once you have your 3 branches, insert them into the holes in the tripod bracket and adjust the legs out until they're sturdy. Run your chain up through the center of the tripod. Use the key to lock the chain into place by pushing the key through the chain loop and into the small hole on the bracket. Interlock the hooks of your grill and the chain, then adjust the chain height if needed. The collapsible fire blower is also made of a lightweight metal and comes in handy when needing to stoke your fire. This is such an easy and useful setup. You can check out GRITR store via the link below to see their products and more gear like this. Leave us a comment letting us know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.